Hello everyone. In this video I'll show you how to count word, letters, numbers or sentence in Excel. For example, if we have a column like this contains letter A, B and C and sentence like New Rev replied, and now we want to know how many letter A in this column. Okay, we will make a small table and put A, B, C and New Rev replied. And next to the cell which contain letter A, we will put our formula, which is equal COUNTIFS and open a bracket. We will notice that he will ask about the criteria range, so we have to specify the range we need to check, which in this case it's column C. And after this, we press semicolon. He will ask about the criteria, so after choosing the range, we have to choose what we want to check inside this range. So we will click on this cell which contains letter A and close the bracket and then press enter. So now he said that letter A in this range repeated 155 times. So now let's do the same with letter B. And for sure we can make double click on the corner of the cell and he will apply the formula in all the rest cells. Okay, now we have 155 letter A, 103 letter B, 31 letter C and 120 New Rev replied. I hope this video was helpful and useful for you, and see you next video.